Hi, my name is 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗁𝗏. I own Maison de Soraya women's clothing store located in Southern California. What inspired me about this business is I love the fashion, I love clothes, and also a lot of women always come up to me and ask me about where I would get my clothes from because I look so comfortable. And so I figured I'd open up something that reflects everyday women casual wear. So me and my team sit in here once a week and we do a board meeting, deciding on what clothings we're going to buy next, what styles we're going to get, projections of sales, and also we use this great EliteProAV whiteboard screen. So we sit in here with the lights on. You can still see the screen. It's great because other screens, you have to turn off the lights in order to be able to see the screen. This one, you can leave it on and you can see everything on it with the projection. So we like to use a short throw projector because we can see the lights from the bottom and not from the top, and it eliminates glare and the washout. It's like a TV, but it's better than a TV because the whiteboard, you can actually write on it when the projection is on, and the people from the back of the room, they can see, and they can even see better because the lights are on. So when you walk into the room, it looks great. It's very sleek, very thin, and it looks amazing. It's part of the decor of the office. I also would recommend this screen to all the females that want to start their own business to be able to take notes and get your company all on the same page. It's a great asset to your business.
EliteProAV. Get the big picture.